Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ASUS ROG Phone 7 and let me share with you how to change the video resolution on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and since we are in the standard photo mode, we have to enter the video one. So let's tap on the video, and as you can see right here, we've got this section with the options, and the second option from the right is the resolution. Currently we've got the 8K, and whether you want to change it, you have to tap on it. So we can set it to HD, FHD, 4K, and again 8K. So basically, whenever you will see the resolution right here, it means that it has been immediately applied, which simply means that from now on your device will record the videos in chosen resolution. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.